Welcome to worship at First Congregational United Church of Christ Phoenix, where extravagant welcome is an everyday way of living. This is the church that says, "Come, be a part of our family. Come be one with God. No matter where you've been in life, there is a place for you here. No matter where you are on your journey, here is a place to rest."
That might put me on the bad list if Christmas time is coming.
Since I do have some pull with Christmas and have some activity at Christmas time, I think that was a very wise decision of you. I just wanted to let folks that have been involved in the Rainbow Fest that have helped me prepare for it, I wanted to tell you thank you so much. Our booth, I think, has been a great success. If anybody still has a chance to pop over there today, which is just off of 5th Street in Monroe, they actually have Monroe blocked off for it. Even if it's just to go and see our booth, that would be a wonderful thing. We've had exactly the kind of response that I was hoping for. For those of you that may have been at the open house and saw our kind of mock-up of our booth with those words that were hanging, people liked that. It was the no matter who you are, no matter where you are on life's journey phrase. People liked that, and that was exactly the response that we were hoping for. So taking photos, maybe we'll get a visitor or two, who knows. So thank you to everybody that's helping out.
Okay, so I have a couple more announcements here. Announcing the birth of Amari Terrell Harris on Friday the 5th, 8 pounds, 15 ounces, 21 inches, the son of Diana Robinson, grandson of Steve and Sue Robinson, great-grandson of Nancy Robinson. Congratulations on the birth of the baby. Okay, and then mission and outreach. Today's offering is designated for Neighbors in Need, a special mission offering of the UCC that supports Ministry of Justice and Compassion. That's one of the highlights that I was supposed to let you all know about. Another one is the Senior Pastor Search Team Candidates. If you're interested in being on that team, complete the questionnaire in the narthex or in Pilgrim Hall today, please. And then we also have a very special announcement. Voter registration, the deadline is this Tuesday. So if by Tuesday, if you're not a registered voter, if you haven't done your change of address and all that good stuff that enables you to have a voice, your voice will not be heard. So if you're not registered, please try to get that done by Tuesday. Otherwise, nothing. Yes. Pilgrim Hall today, we're going to have voter registration cards over there, so you don't really have to do anything other than show up with the pen. Probably don't even need the pen, just show up. Fill it out. Tuesday small group sessions, if you haven't signed up for one of the Tuesday small groups with Pastor Wally, there's a phone number in the bulletin to also do that. Speak to Pastor Wally. Let your voice be heard as to where you want our church to go. A couple extra announcements. The book club meeting is canceled for the month of October due to a debate. I'm not sure. What kind of debate is that? Oh, yeah, that debate. Okay. So apparently don't read this month, just listen to the debate. Let me see. New member class with Pastor Wally will be October 21st and the 28th from noon until 3 p.m. So if you are a new member, this is your opportunity to join this wonderful congregation, which I did a little over a year ago, and it will be a life-changing experience. I can speak positively about that. So I do implore you, if you would like to join this church, to please do so. I need to call up Greg for an announcement. Greg?
Greg. Right to the front, please.
Somebody here. Morning. Just a reminder, the applications, if you want to be a part of the senior pastor search team, are due in 1 week. Yes, 1 week. So all of you out there who have been waiting and thinking, have plenty of time. And trust me, I know, because I'm the one getting the applications. Get off your butt, get your pen to paper, and get it turned in. Thanks.
How long was that, Greg? That was 1 week, by the way. All right, and then I need to call Debbie up, please.
In your announcements, you'll see one of these. And I want to tell you about this group. They're our sister congregation, and we're having the benefit concert to help them pay their mortgage. And anyone with a lay-on can sell tickets to you, and we would like to invite you. It is October the 28th. It is going to be here. It's going to be at 3 p.m. And please come.
Okay, could we please hand out the ritual pads? I don't know if we've already done that. Done? I have one eye, I'm sorry, I don't see everything. Are there any other announcements? Oh, yes, yes. Please turn off your cell phones. Thank you. Let us worship God. Oh, I'm sorry. Are there any new members? First, I thought I was at an AA meeting. I'm sorry. Sorry. Wrong place. You all look so familiar. I'm sorry. Oh, raise your hand if you've never been here before. God help you. By the way, I would like to reiterate, I never got that. I'm still a little bitter a year later. I've had a lot of coffee. I do apologize. Okay, let us worship God.